Obviously, I didn't know what I was doing when I pruned these azaleas. So I didn't do as well. Next year ought to be good. This is the most wonderful man in the whole wide world.
If I don't get the blue on it anyway.
Yes.
Somebody was telling me that the dogwood tree was the kind of wood that Jesus was crucified on.
I've heard that.
And the leaves are like a cross, and they have a little red spot.
Yeah, on the corners to represent the blood. It's a wonderful panorama of color here.
God was the flag.
It's that mean Cammy dog. And this is Chrissy. She's inside and wants outside.
Bear. Lift this plant here. This is an interesting thing on these banana plants. This one had a lot of life still in it when I put it out.
And it's not doing quite as well as this one, and it was dead as a doornail. It looked. I kept cutting it back. Thank you, Lord Jesus. Oh, glory to you, Jesus. We had given up on this plant here in the garage, and I noticed it was looking like it was coming up. That thing's doubled in size in the last 3 or 4 days. Confederate rose. Planted some caladiums in here Renee did the other day. I gave some moral support. We just confess that God will keep those squirrels out of there. And this is an interesting thing. This tree right here, it's dead as a doornail. I'm curious why. Looks healthy. At least as healthy as this one, which is doing well. Shine, Jesus, shine. Da. Thank you, Lord Jesus. Have a destiny. I have a destiny. dog barking over there for? The 23rd of March, 1992. $7:28, I think. Our God reigns. Let the earth rejoice. Let the earth rejoice. Da, da, da. Let's take a different. Let's go walk. I want to walk down to the bottom of the hill on Eden, so that I can see if there's some sand down there. Just for to make her much more flexible. Okay, we're going to plant a dogwood tree. You got to take down that dead tree, the second one over there. All those lilac mysteria, whatever you call them, are gone. On the way back, we should go back and get our whatever kind of salad dressing. Dijon or something, she said. That looks like a dogwood tree they have planted there, huh? Boy, that's gonna be fun. They get over it. Howdy.
We're looking forward to that salad dressing. We're looking forward to that salad dressing.
What salad dressing?
Vicky called and said she had some salad dressing. Y'all didn't like one, that's where we wanted it.
Oh.
The Dijon mustard.
Yeah, the Dijon mustard. It's kind of unique flavor.
Yeah, it does. We like it.
Here,
Yeah.
Great.
here's our good neighbor, Mr. Gary Robert.
Did you get my message? About the sand? You need your sand?
Yeah, I do.
Gosh.
Yeah, I do. We were just walking down to the bottom of the road to see if they had some down there. Yeah, I do need some.
You do how many tons?
Good gracious. I don't know how much.
What I've been told, like 9 tons will put a real thin layer across your yard.
Well, man, I don't need that much. I don't think.
I was just curious because
I like to wade into it and just put it in a few places.
yeah, my whole front yard needs serious help. Somebody stole my bicycle too.
Oh no.
Out from the purple. Kinda got me bummed.
Yeah, that's madness, isn't it?
I'm thinking this past weekend, but my, just on top of things type personality didn't notice it till today.
So you really don't know for sure when, huh?
Yeah. Somebody stole Shannon Pollard's briefcase out of his truck.
Was it locked? It wasn't, huh? Yeah.
Out of his house? Was this Saturday?
No, this was a couple weeks ago.
In fact, that was a dang good while ago, hadn't it?
Apparently somebody in this neighborhood, they just come to this neighborhood to go shopping.
Well, I think I got a feeling some of the side neighborhoods think this is convenient prey for them. And the other thing, you have these guys coming through here who pick up stuff, and it's just so convenient for them. They say, slim picking. I mean, easy pickings here.
I know, we built a cross. I mean, a huge cross our church and sang on it, climbed on top of it and sang. And one of the guys, we stayed real late working on it one night, and one of the guys come back about 2 o'clock in the morning Thursday, noticed a car going up the road with a spotlight.
Yep. Well, see, that's what the law is supposed to do sometimes, going out just seeing if there's someone in the bushes and things.
Yeah, but he said it was a gray car, so
yeah.
I don't know. Yes. Okay.
Go ahead.
Those baby food bottles? Okay.
Are you planning on ordering some sand or something?
Yeah, I can get a better price for 25 ton than I can for 10 ton.
Woo. Good gracious.
What is that? I mean, I don't know.
10 tons of sand isn't a whole lot because it's so dense. And this is going to be, it's not dirt, it's going to be washed sand like they would use to do mortar and stuff.
Well, how much are we talking?
I'm not
Ballpark.
exactly sure.
What,
hold on,
$10
quick
a
second.
ton or something?
That's like $5 or $4 a ton.
Oh, that sounds like a lot of spreading, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's a lot of,
I tell you what, why don't you go ahead and we'll get it, and I think Mr. Moore would probably want some, and if he doesn't,
Yeah. Well, it sounds like between
I have
2
one heck
yards
of a
we
sand
could,
box.
I'll get 12.
it sounds like with 2 yards we could use that much.
Well, I think I can put it under where I park my car, and that water won't stand there as well either.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I'll take half of it.
Okay, let me
12 and a half, 12 and a half.
From Vicky.
Whatever it is, if you're talking,
Exactly
as long as it's not over like,
$100.
you know, right.
Now, they were telling me that, you know, these guys, you know, these Joe Schmoes who have dump trucks, little tandem wheel dump truck, full of about 5 tons of sand, will go out and sell you a dump truck load of sand for $200. And they pay like 10 or 15 for the sand, and the other 150, you know, or
Their time and their entrepreneurship.
Yeah, that's right.
Hey, I mean, you know, I wouldn't think of it because someone drove up and said, "Here, I got a pickup truck full of sand for $50." I'd say, I mean, that's a good deal.
Like a deal.
$1 shovel full, cool.
Yeah, and if underneath that dogwood tree where I park my car, if in case I don't get a chance to talk to you, they bring it.
Yeah.
And just come and just tell us how much we
Okay.
we owe you.
Okay. Okay, I'll find out for certain. Either leave on the machine or
That's
do
great.
what to do with how much it
Okay.
costs.
We're going to come by and get some salad dressing here in a bit anyway, I understand. Our God reigns. Our God reigns. Yeah, does that sound good? I know Mr. Moore's front yard needs something. It's funny. I think it really is on. I don't think it was on our answer machine. Our God. There's me a golfing partner down there. Yeah.
Hard, huh?
I had to take my axe to mine the other day. That's one thing I do is just go around and once in a while take my axe to places like those. So you spread that sand around, real thin coat all over the grass, and then that grass just sort of peeks out up over the...
Yeah.
See, I never have done that, or
I have seen it done a lot, but I've never done it.
Yeah, I don't want it to set it on any of the grass. I don't have faith in my, you know, at any given time we can be tied up for a period of time.
Yeah. Well, I'll help you.
But, and another thing about that's the kind of thing I like to go out there and do for about 15 minutes. Say, okay, that's enough of that. Our God reigns. Well, we don't have to go down here and look for the sand.